Hey there. Today I'm going to go back to wood for a little bit instead of the resin, but this time I'm going to try to do a huge, it's like the largest piece I've worked on, even though it doesn't come close to some of the stuff I see on the internet. But my daughter-in-law wanted one of the tall driftwood vases. I have this big piece of really bizarre shaped driftwood, and I'm gonna see, really have no clue what this is gonna look like. I have no idea. I just know that I want a tall driftwood vase and very bizarrely shaped. I think I'm gonna start out by drilling the hole in the center, just so that I can see how big I want the inside to be, and then I'll worry about shaping the outside a little bit after that. Driftwood is almost like doing styrofoam, so let's hope that this doesn't fall apart and that it's a nice easy turn. I'll be honest with you, the resin is a little bit hard on my shoulders, and I'm either in very bad shape or I'm curing it wrong or whatever, but the resin is a little tough on me. So I'm going to take a break and do something that feels like styrofoam. Alrighty. I trimmed the outside down already. Here I'm applying sanding sealer, trying to firm it up a little bit because it's a little too punky. It's a beautiful wood grain. It's just a little too porous, which is what punky means. The odd shape was a lot more challenging than I expected it to be, but I just kept chiseling it out and eventually switched over to a sander, which was slightly easier. Now that the sanding sealer is completely dry, I can sand the outside and get it as smooth as I can. It's still a little porousy, but it'll at least be smooth to the touch. I'm just going to be applying tung oil as my finish on this because I want it to be as rustic as possible. I still want the grain to pop, but I don't want any kind of shine to it.